Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been active for a year. I'm sorry for that. I was busy and I was wondering to quit YouTube, so I decided to start it again. So welcome to another tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set ringtone on iPhone for free. So for that you need an app called GarageBand and Documents. So you'll find those in App Store. So first you need to do is go to YouTube and search up the song which you want to keep as the ringtone. For example, I'm searching up Despacito ringtone iPhone. So I'm choosing up for example the first one. Then click on share and then you copy the link. Then later you need to go to the Documents app and go to Safari over here and then search MP3 MP4 to MP3 and search it up. Actually not that, but you can search YouTube to MP3. Yeah, so click the first one, YouTube, then search, then paste the file, paste the link which you copied there. So after pasting the link, convert it. So just wait a while and you can see here download option, so just download it. So you can see over here, just save it as whatever name you want to give it. So done, click on done. So it's downloading, as you can see here. So after it downloads, you can find it over here. So you need to click this three dots and you need to click on share and you save it on files. So save it in, on my phone, save it in GarageBand, or you can save it wherever you want. I'm preferring to save it on GarageBand. On this I'm adding it up. So after that you need to go to the GarageBand app. So just wait. So add, click on audio recorder. After clicking that, you can just click OK and you can see this. Then just click on this. Wait, not on that. You can just click on adding bars. So make this up to 30. Click done, and then beside to this, like the option like settings, you can see this. So click on this and just choose. So I hear Despacito. Just you can drag it over here. That's it. So after dragging it, you can just hear it. If you want to change this, fine. Then click save it on my songs. You just save it and then just hard press on this and you can see here share. So you can just set it as ringtone. You can just give the name and click on export. That's what you can do. After that you can just go to your settings and go to your ringtone option. So I have many ringtones, for example this one, this all the song which I downloaded. I have Shape of You. So I'll just show you. If you guys want just to see, just click on share. You can see here options. Click on ringtone, continue, and then name your ringtone. I name it Despacito and export it. It's exporting. You will get one more option after this. I'll just show you. You can just use sound as. If you click on that, you can see standard ringtone, this one also done. Now I have as I have saved it, you can go to ringtones back and you can see here this option. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it. So please share, subscribe, and I will try to be regular. So just stay tuned. Peace.